Hey there, Tracy Venturi with Venturi Realty Group, a real broker. And today I want to talk to you about your moving timeline. I've been talking to sellers specifically, and they tell me, Tracy, I'm moving this summer. I don't need to be in till maybe August, right before school starts, late July, and I have plenty of time. And, I think that it'd be important to talk about your moving timeline and make sure that you're giving yourself enough time to not stress out too much in this process, but have the time to get your house ready for sale and have it presented in the best light. And sometimes the timeline for that is a little bit different than what some of our sellers think. So I'd like to encourage you to put together a timeline. Let's work backwards. Let's meet, talk about it, and do a backwards timeline because really May is probably the time when we need to be thinking about putting your home on the market. Sometimes there are things that people need to prep, right? Sometimes there's maybe a little bit of painting or touch up type things. Sometimes getting the yard in order. Sometimes just packing things away and getting the house a little more ready for sales. If you want to be in by maybe August 1st, we should probably have your house on the market by early June, late May, so that we can get that offer and have 30 to 45 days before closing so that you can be where you need to be. So a couple of weeks of prep time, sometimes a couple of weeks to get great professional photography and make sure your house is ready to go. Anyway, love to chat about it and see how we can help you accomplish your goals for the summer move.